I know Jab Praiser, but I don't understand what you say.
My favorite
Artist in Zimbabwe.
yeah, hip-hop artist.
I think Rick Ross.
Rick Ross.
Rick Ross came in Zimbabwe. He's a Zimbabwean. I use internet pastors. I just
Internet band.
search for last Sundays.
Oh, brother, man, how are you?
I'm cool.
You're cool.
Yeah.
Cheers. What's your name?
They call me Peter.
Peter.
Yes.
And what's your real name in Shona? Oh, Peter who?
Me, I'm called Peter Mandinga. Yes.
Okay.
I come from Bar. I'm a parker. I park cars. You must come park your car and give me a lot of money. Yes. I usually time by the corner, but depends on the time. I don't even come early. I come late. Yes. I do come late. Yes. And I'm an artist. I'll even produce your music. Everything.
Whoa.
Yes. Even if you come with your car, I'll make sure I don't come. But it's wise to come with $2 or maybe $3 so that your time. Yes. Plus, I am also an artist. I busha. Busha means singing. If you don't sing, you won't have any platform of any music. I'm a quality artist, you see. Yes. And it's on Wednesday. It's cool. Yes. Yes. Plus, it's cell phone. Yes. Cool. Interview. Yes. Journalist. I'm cool. I get money. I'm a quality. I get to. You see, so you should come park your car because that's what it is. And cyclone, thunder, beam, even burn your car. Even your car is burning. Yes, end of days, Jesus is back. You can even see. You can go see.
Jesus is back.
Yes.
Did you see?
Yes.
When did he arrive?
He's on light. He's on light right now. So Jesus is on light. So you see, unless if you want to see the TikTok videos, you see him on the clouds. You see Jesus. Jesus is big. It's because the angels are released on where they are saints. They by Saint Joseph. They are over there. They are released. They just stay there. And
Mr. Peter.
Yes.
Mr. Peter. What level of education did you acquire?
I never went to school.
You never went to school?
I didn't.
How come you speak so fluent?
Because I was raised by whites. I was raised by
So where are
blacks.
they now?
They died and then the place was not even there. Everywhere to go away. It's because they rented the place.
But
So,
if you were told to quit drinking today, or maybe taking illicit drugs, or because like people say, you guys in the street, you take drugs. Is it true or what?
we don't take drugs. We usually drink and smoke cigarettes. Drugs are for what call it people that are rich, that can afford money to buy drugs. I mean, like someone who takes drugs won't be like someone like in the streets. It's someone that's rich. It goes like if someone takes drugs, he has to pay $1 or maybe more money for the drugs. So you see, parking cars doesn't sustain much of drugs. But I do drink alcohol, and I also drink alcohol. But with alcohol, you see, so the doctors are saying what call it the ingredients of flu is mixed with alcohol. So Jesus is saying the wine and the oil is not going away. So if the wine and oil is not going away, then he turned the water into wine. So if you turn the water into wine, it means it heals the heart. You see, that's why doctors have alcohol for what call it for the flu. It helps the chest. You see, it helps the chest.
Do you believe that? Do you believe in Jesus?
Yes, I've received Jesus Christ as my personal savior, master. I am with Jesus. I even like him being a car. I even burn the cars. Yes, even with angel of death, like most people they come stingy me, they're not even back at the moment second. Yes, it's because the angels are released. Yes, that's how you see the angels are close to me. Yes, that's how you see I perform so much. I live a miraculous life. Yes.
You live in what?
In miracles.
Miracles. Like, do you perform miracles?
Well, the miracles come from God. So the person that with miracles, God. So those are so you cannot be part of God. It's idols, shall not worship idols. It's the 10 Commandments. You see. So those miracles are from God.
You were saying that you're a music producer.
Yes, I'm a music producer.
Which artist do you know that you have?
Tindo, this guy that parks cars over there. I've also some other artists there. I don't know, Selena Gomez sometimes wants to, but she's expensive because of her bodyguards. Yes, I even sometimes hang with what call it, maybe Jay-Z sometimes in disguise, but those ones, Machesu.
Jay-Z?
Yes.
When?
Jay-Z, sometimes he just passes with this car. He doesn't. He just passes in disguise.
So does he know you?
Yes.
Can you give him a shout out right now?
Jay-Z.
Yeah, like
Jay-Z.
say what up, man? What up, Jay-Z? How you doing?
Yeah. Jay-Z's got my hairstyle. He looks like yes, my hairstyle. I started It was Rizzo actually. Can't know.
So can you give us a freestyle like you were saying you had?
A freestyle.
Yeah.
Gusha.
Like one of your songs.
Me. It's my latest.
Yeah.
Yes. Gusha. 7 angel pouring boats, thunder lightning beam, OG 10 men damage, OG trees down, Rio second band, angel of death killing, OG anyone who's coming to force my life, policemen parking cars getting lot of money, man I'm cool, they call me Jay, I get money, man I'm cool, get dope, bless, make cash, man I'm cool, Rio on Wednesday, OG cell phone camera on journalist, I get dough, man I'm cool, I get my dough, Rio on tiny cell phone, OG underground, recording on touch, bless, make dough, produce, OG cool, I get cash, man I'm okay, you can even see my phones got OG underground dropped in water, only got 3 phones, man I'm blessed, own, I get dough Wednesday's day, yes, radio cool, Rio bless, make dough Didi, I get cash, Rio won award, I'm cool, I get cash, they call me Jay, in my name of Jesus Christ, I'm blessed.
Yo. I think the comment section is blowing like now. I can see some fire emojis there on the comment section. So to your folks who want to get in touch with you, how can they get in touch with you?
Just go to like Facebook and just find my picture, or you just go to TikTok and see my post. You get my post on Facebook and on TikTok, because I usually post, so you can usually see me. I'll be posting by parking cars here, and yeah, cool. So that's where you get me.
So which name like which
You use Kuda. Yes.
So you're actually a Shona, but I didn't.
Me, I'm a Shona boss, but just raised with whites.
Don't throw Shona back like a Shona
Me?
song. Yeah.
I'm not good at Shona.
You can just try.
A Shona flow.
Yeah, you can just try.
Jandru Taura.
Let's go.
Golato. Ndofarira vanhu vane mari vanochipa mari pandinoenda mumota ndotaura Shona ndokwama ndokwakama ndozvatoripo yes Golato ndozviripo mazuva ano mvura chando izvo mabhangananga ndozviriitika bvunza wakomana wese madhanzo artists atitombowaterere yes ndikuudza ndokuti handidye derere bvunza kana mhuri kana mhuka inonzi bere ndozvitoripo bvunza kana chipembere ndozvitori marhymes egusha yeshona bvunza wakawanda wese wari tori mudhanzo ndozvandaitoita gusha zviri kutonditadzira kuenda kumberi ndoti handikwanisa kutaura Shona handitomboirote bvunza ana wese watokuudza tindu.
Yo.
Amen. That's what they want.
Yeah, but I think on your English lyrics you killed it the most.
I didn't kill the
but
most,
like
the most I could.
What really happened for Peter to get into the streets? What really happened?
It's because God has opportunities. God opens doors. So
yeah, you say you were raised by whites.
Yes.
Then they died.
Yes.
But it's
because I'm looking for money. I'm looking for food. I'm looking for tablets. I'm looking for challenges. Yeah. My challenges is people that just come investigate God's things. They come. Sometimes I'll be yes, like in beams, bent car, hit them with angels of death. Those are real. Those are angels already released. You can even see them. It's even blowing. Yeah.
Can you see angels? Like
yes, it's light. They're producing the light because your eye is the light.
right.
That's why you see even you see the stars.
Okay, like if you find somebody to help you start a business or start something, would you accept that?
Well, I would say probably it won't work with it because with capital it needs very much money.
Like someone comes and say you want to give you some capital to start something. Maybe you can start something to raise money and generate money for your upkeep.
Yeah, it will work without without return of the money or to improve my phone's studio and then buy a lot of flashes and then sell my flashes because nowadays no one wants a CD, they want flashes, so the music is played with flashes. So if I can get...
So which artist do you want to collaborate with, like here in Zimbabwe?
Artists in Zimbabwe?
Yes.
Me?
Yeah.
I have no artists that I want to unless they pay me. Me, I don't even know any artists. I don't listen. I listen to my music. I'm sure maybe Selena Gomez.
But she doesn't stay in Zimbabwe. She's an American.
She can fly to Zimbabwe and yes, she can.
Any artist you know based in Zim?
No,
Like Jab Praiser?
I know Jab Praiser, but I don't understand what you be saying.
But we do have hip hop artists in Zimbabwe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, who's your favorite artist?
My
Hip-hop.
favorite artist in Zimbabwe,
Yeah, hip hop artist.
I think Rick Ross.
Rick Ross.
Rick Ross came in Zimbabwe. He's a Zimbabwean, isn't he?
He's not a Zimbabwean. Like an artist who's based in Zimbabwe.
Well, I won't have any. I don't know any artists in Zimbabwe. Tindo, maybe Tindo, the guy,
Who's Tindo?
the guy that parks over there.
Tindo who?
Yeah, Tindo is one of my.
You know one of his songs, that Tindo.
Yes,
Kept on
yes,
talking about Tindo.
yes.
Any song from Tindo.
Yeah, so many of them.
I don't know.
Well, it's him too. It is mana. But me, what call it? I just say, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, because I'm gospel. If you want to do a collab or artist to me, it's gospel. There's nowhere you're going. You're staying. You see, so if you're not praising God, yes, you're staying.
So you actually go to church?
I use internet pastors. I just
Internet pastor.
search for last Sundays.
Like which service? Your last service that you watched?
Joe Austin. Joe Austin even got a book saying energy, how to get energy. So like, that's my pastor.
Alright, your last words to the people watching on this channel is Bahasha TV, by the way. Any last words to the people watching Bahasha TV?
I won't say last words, but I will say, come and park your car, come support me, get a lot of money if you ever want to support me. But you gotta come with dignity and style, because there'll be council and city park, and they're even illegal. They're even taking away council stuff. So like, yes, pray to God in Jesus' mighty name. It's the last days, end of the days, brutality, cyclone, beam your car, or the angel of death if you're stingy.
Okay. So you say Jesus came back.
Jesus is already back. You can see
You
him
see?
here. Jesus is the light of the world. He's back.
Oh.
It says in the Bible, he's gonna be encamped with the saints.
So you really read the Bible. Okay.
Well-
So can you just shout out to the fans watching Bahasha TV and say bye bye?
Yeah, Asha TV, oh Jana Gran, I hope I get man with this. I don't know, but bless you. But bless you if it's true. Bless you. Plus, pray to God. And remember, God said, feed the starving children. So Jesus is saying, feed one of we type of people. Yes, it's a TV channel. You should support it. You should give a lot of money, a lot of beg to this channel. Give them money, more begs for this channel, more money.
I think folks, they've heard from you. That was Peter. Saka mazvinzwa mega ati imimi muchida kubatsira Peter vataure kuti munowanika papo. Where can they get
Musa over here, or you can come in Showground Little Mary. You can even, I don't know, here by Ostrit or Rob Zamanyika, by Muhammad Musa, and you should come buy product at Musa. The troll is allowed to come where I park, and you should be careful not to get your car claimed. Keep yourself on this channel.